everyone, welcome to my video. Today in this video we are going to build this part. Let's start together and step by step build the part. And I open a new part. On the white plane I will create a sketch. Firstly, I'm placing a line and then again one line. This 2 will be a construction geometry, and then we say this is 45 length, this is 105. In total will be 150. After this operation we go arcs, and with 3-point arc option we place here one arc and one arc at the other side. And then now we press our control button on our keyboard and say this 2 will be tangent. While it's pressed, the last operation will be giving our radius value here, which is 45. This is sketch 1, and from top plane we will go create second sketch, and I click on my plane and I open it, sketch there, and I look normal too. First, it is good to place here one length line again, and here one another, and then we can press our space again, look from normal, and then we pick a spline here, we finish it. We can a little bit play with the angles, and another spline will be starting from here to here. And I close here with a spline line again. Let's give our length. Here length 8, here length is 4. And after this operation we will play with the spline with control points. First we press our control and say here this spline here will be starting tangent. If you don't want to do that, you can place an angle here, you can say 90, and then the tangency value here 50. After this operation these 2 will be tangent, and we create a 30-degree. This will be 90 and this will be 55. These are tangency values, dimensions, units. And here we have a 100-degree and here a tangency value of 100. As you see, everything is black. When we finalize this, we are going to make a mirror first. These 2 objects will be mirrored in this line, construction geometry. Once we are done with that, we create our most of part, in fact. After this operation we go project curve. This project curve will combine these 2D object into a 3D line. In fact, we create here a 3D line. That's the idea of it. After this operation we go front plane. We say 1 at 5 mm. I show my plane here. 1 at 22 mm. And we click again that. We say at 5. And we say 1 at 15. Of course, the last one will be at the end. We just pick a point here with a reference plane. These are our sections, and let's start from behind. we click here with here, and then we create a sketch there, and I'm just placing here one arc on my screen. As you see, in this plane I will not look normal too, because behind is very crowded. I will just press my control, pick my 3D line. In fact, it's a curve, and here again, while my control pressed, I select two objects and my red relations menus pop up, and we say here pierce. The radius here is 25. After this operation, we can hide this plane. At plane 4, we will have one more. As you see, and whatever we were doing, we press our control, while it's pressed, select two objects. Control is pressed, I select two objects, say pierce, and here I'm going to give radius value of 20. This also can be hideable now. Here we are going to do the same. In fact, here it was the other way around. Sorry. Giving relations. Again, giving relations. It is 5. Sorry. Of course, it is 20. Operation is done. We can hide planes, and at the other plane there will be one more. We can hide this one. We are at the last operation. Click on plane, create a sketch, and then here we place an arc. Same operations. Everything what we are doing here almost same. Here radius value is 22. After this operation is done, we can just hide this plane also. When you look, we got something like this. After this operation, we go fill surface. First this and second this. These are two boundaries. Don't look at it, it's looking like crazy. But now we are going to come to constraint curves, and by selecting these ones, the model will correct itself. And when this is done, our model is also almost done. We can hide our curves. If you don't want to see these helping objects, you can make a right click on them and add to new folder. Auxiliary objects, I am saying. And after this operation, we make a ticken from middle option 0.75, and this is looking good. And then let's place two radius here by clicking our edges. Yes, and then final radius 0.75. In fact, clicking to a surface will do same thing for us instead of choosing the edges. Mold is finalized now. I hope you can also follow these steps. Let's give some colors from appearances, metal, and you can say chromium plate, and then we have got a really shiny, nice spoon. It was a nice surface example, I believe, with a lot of auxiliary objects like planes and using project curve option. If you like my video, please make a comment and hit the like button. If you wanna see much more advanced videos, please do visit my channel. See you in the next video.